up, never down.
Hello and welcome back to Never Not Cleaning. My name is Chris and today's video is going to be real basic. I'm putting some groceries away here that I had delivered through Instacart. I work from home full-time, so I usually use my lunch break to do some cleaning, and today, since the groceries were delivered, I'm putting them away. I'm also playing refrigerator Jenga, moving things around, taking old stuff out, putting things where they belong, and throwing stuff away that should have been in the garbage probably days ago. This is my garage refrigerator where I keep some overflow items. As you can see, this is not nearly as organized as the refrigerator in the house.
I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather.
Here I'm just going to swap out the old eggs and the new eggs, taking the old ones out so that I can put them back on the top, so those get used first.
I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again.
If you saw any of my previous videos, you saw me put all of these leftovers away. Not one single person in my house ate any of them, and they're all going down the disposal. And now it's time for dishwasher Jenga. I know you didn't come here to watch these two wahoos playing with this rope bone, but I didn't notice that they were doing this until editing, so bear with me, they do eventually go away.
I think I'm ready, ready. Emotions repeating, though it's been so long. I know what you're thinking, I know. I wanna spend all our time now, for better or worse. I know the past is gone, and now you're all I want. 'Cause I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up.
I know essential oils are all the rage right now, but I just love my wax warmer. I have one in every single room of the house.
I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. I would.
This right here, this is why I have to vacuum every single day, multiple times a day. Not because of the two dogs, it's the cat.
Just close your eyes and we'll be shooting stars. And you know I can't wait for forever no more. Now tell me, are you ready? Are you ready? Ready? Emotions
I can pretty much guarantee there's always going to be cat hair in this one spot. I don't know why it collects here, it just does.
spend all our time now, for better or worse. I know the past is gone, and now you're all I want. 'Cause I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. For you, I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up.
I've had this dining room table since Christmas, and she's only just recently started laying on these chairs. I think I might have to resort to putting tin foil on the seat to keep her off.
Now there's no looking back. Now there's no looking back. You got me falling fast,
These pictures have been leaning up against the back of my couch since I took them down from the hallway a few weeks ago, so I finally decided to move them. I know it looks like I just moved them off camera, but I actually took them out to the garage and put them in my donate pile. I know this is a totally random spot to keep this basket, but the cat will claw on that corner of the couch, so to prevent her from doing that, I put the basket there. I filmed the first part of this video during my lunch break, so you'll see me turn the light on as I walk into the room in just a second. That's because it's now about 5:30, 6 o'clock, and I've resumed filming after work.
Someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like you're fake. Take control of your own life.
Because I work from home, it makes it a little easier to stay on top of my laundry, so I try to at least do one load a day whenever there's enough to wash.
So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life.
I'm picking the carpets up off the floor to vacuum really well because in a little while I'll be mopping the entire house as well.
Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life.
While I'm cleaning the air fryer here, the water splashed all over the window, which is fine because honestly, it needed to be cleaned anyway.
I would fight if I could. If I believed I should. Okay, try to be brave.
I'm just wetting my trusty e-cloth here so I can clean the window. And then you'll see me use the polishing cloth to dry it off to a crystal clear shine.
You have so much to save. Take control of your own life.
And since it's wet and in my hand, I might as well clean the rest of my stainless steel.
Makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life.
The cloth I'm using here is just the general purpose cloth. They actually have one for stainless steel and one for windows, but I'm not really sure what the difference is between those three. I just use the general purpose for everything and it works perfectly on windows, stainless steel, and dusting all my furniture.
Never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself, but that's love. That's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when.
Now that all the floors have been vacuumed and the dishes put away, it's time to mop.
Move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
This is the O-Cedar Spin Mop and it is the greatest mop ever. If you don't have one, I highly recommend it.
Every time you feel the walls are closing in, and it seems like nothing makes it better, you should try to love, comes to love. 'Cause you know sometimes it hurts, and you end up getting burned. But sometimes it can be beautiful.
My entire house, except the 3 bedrooms, is wood laminate flooring, so there's actually quite a lot of mopping to do. I recorded it all in time-lapse mode and even sped it up a little bit, so this wasn't a 30-minute video of me just mopping.
With your broken heart, no matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. Heart. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
One of the best things about this mop head is that it's washable. You just pop it off of the mop head and throw it in the laundry.
Stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time
I usually just use dish soap to clean my sink on a daily basis, but once a week I like to use this Bon Ami powder to get it super deep clean.
don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like.
I also buy 4 of these sponges a month that ship with my Grove collaborative order, so I just use them for 1 week and then throw them away. This is the Bubble Up Dish Sponge and Brush Set, also from Grove Collaborative. I usually clean this out 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how gross it is.
Nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why?
Once it's clean, I just refill it with soap, add a little bit of water, and you see how it bubbles up. Your sponge just sits right on top, so it's not actually in the water, and it makes washing dishes super efficient.
I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody. Give me somebody.
When I'm finished, I just use the European dishcloth that I also got from Grove Collaborative to dry the sink. And I have to say, when I first got it, I thought it was ridiculous, but I actually use it quite a lot.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy. Looking at me with those.
I vacuumed everything except my room during my lunch break, so I'm doing that now. And to be honest, even if I had vacuumed my room during my lunch break, I would be doing it again.
The candles out, move your body slow. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me. 'Cause it
Around St. Patrick's Day, I got a new bed, which is actually a replacement of my old bed. Since I got it, I've been trying to make a point to make my bed every single day. So even though it's 9:30 at night, I'm still making my bed, so I can say I've made my bed every day.
blow the candles out, move your body slow. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
Thank you for watching. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. Stay home if you can, and if you can't, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in my next video.
Got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let